Marami mang hindi pinalad na ating kababayan sa kanilang laban sa mundo ng boxing, ay mayroon pa din namang mga Pinoy na nagtagumpay, mga nagpakitang gilas ngayong 2024 para iangat muli ang bandera ng Pilipinas pagdating sa sports na boxing. Tulad na lamang ni Michael Kasama, ang walang awa na binugbog ang undefeated na Japanese boxer sa mismong harap ng mga kababayan nito sa Japan, na may ibinabanderang kartada na 10 panalo. Lahat ng 10 ito ay tinapos ng Pinoy via knockout, may 2 talo at 1 tabla na pambato natin sa featherweight division. Ito ay para sagupain ang undefeated Japanese boxer na si Kota Kaneko, na may kartadang 5 panalo, 4 ay tinapos nito via knockout. Sa laban nga na ito mga idol, ay gulat na gulat nga po ang mga Hapon nang walang awang brutal na bugbugin ng Pinoy na si Michael Kasama, ang ipinagmamalaking boksingero ng Japan.
フィリピン共和国出身、現在のランクはフィリピンフェザー級第8位、マイケル・カサマ。
Justin Trinidad, pagtapos po nito, i-end live ko muna, tapos re-relive ko na lang po ulit mga ito. Shoutout sa Erson Trinidad, mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Ito mo na yan, rep! Kawaway boxer! Uy! Uy! First round knockout.
Sa puntong ngang ito, ay unang round pa nga lamang po, ay tinapos na ng ating kababayan ang pambato ng bansang Japan na si Kota Kaneko, kung saan pinaulanan at niratrat ng suntok ang Hapon, dahilan para itigil na agad ng referee ang laban. Para sa muling pagbabalik sa ibabaw ng lona ng ating kababayang si Gio Santissima. June 22, 2024, 5 buwan lamang po ang nakalipas mga idol, ay muling napasabak ang ating bida, kontra naman sa pambato ng bansang Thailand na si Arnon Yupang, na may kartadang 14 na panalo, 5 ay tinapos nito via knockout at may 4 na talo. Samantalang ang ating kababayan naman na si Gio Santissima ay may ibinabanderang kartada na 23 panalo, 20 dito ay tinapos nito via knockout at may 7 talo. Sa bakbakan nga na ito mga idol ay grabing laban ang ipinamalas at ipinakita dito ni Santissima, dahil hangad ng ating bida na maagaw ang WBC Asian Continental Super Featherweight title.
Shit. Sorry. Ganda ng counter. Hindi gusto ng knockout. Dukan.
Sa pang-apat na round nga mga idol, ay hindi nga nakayanan ng kalaban ng isang solidong body shot, dahilan para hindi na ito makapagpatuloy sa laban. Dito nga ay nakuha ng ating kababayan ang WBC Asian Continental Super Featherweight title.
Recovery by good right hand to the head. But no, he does defend it. Left hand right. Approach the final 10 seconds of this round. In your time, as you see. Good right hand. Good right hand.
June 29, 2024, isang undefeated na hapon nga po ang buong tapang na dumayo sa balwarte ng Pinoy na tubong Balamban, Cebu na si Jason Canoy Manigos na pambato natin sa featherweight division. May kartada ang hapon na si Kakeru Mashimo na 8 panalo, 6 may tinapos via knockout. Samantalang ang ating kababayan naman ay may kartadang 28 panalo, 11 may tinapos nito via knockout at may 12 talo na. Bagamat marami nang ang talo ang ating kababayang ito mga idol, ay hindi maikakaila na palaban talaga itong Pinoy na ito. Katunayan yan ay marami na nga pong undefeated boxer ang nakalaban ng ating pambatong ito. Isa na nga dito ang nakasagupa nito na si Luis Pantera Neri. Kaya naman ating balikan mga idol ang laban ng ating kababayan kontra sa undefeated na hapon na si Kakeru Mashimo.
Omega Boxing, he was also present at the 15. Jason Canoy Manigos, the veteran, previously he upset then undefeated. This veteran is very dangerous to body and going inside the head. Very good uppercuts to the midsection. Known his intentions early on in this fight.
Good strategy here by Manigos, immediately going
Uncomfortable as much as possible by pressuring and cutting the ring.
Manigos. Now Mashimo has Manigos against the ropes. 2 hooks to the head by Mashimo. Very good defense there by Manigos, and then was able to sneak in that uppercut in the midsection. However, very good offense here by Mashimo.
Good uppercut by Manigos.
Another very good uppercut by Manigos. However, he was very open for that left hook. More uppercuts from Manigos. Another hook by Manigos.
Manigos is showing this young kid that old man strength, Franco.
And he's hitting him with that uppercut. Maganda yung uppercut sa gitna ni Manigos. Pumapasok sa mukha ni Mashimo. Hindi lang siya dapat makikipagsabayan dito. Kasi, syempre, mas malaki, mas matangkad si Mashimo eh. He needs to get out of that corner.
There you go.
Another uppercut by Manigos.
But Manigos needs to be careful.
Now he has a Japanese in trouble.
And
We're seeing blood.
that's right, early on in this fight. And this is a good strategy for Manigos, no? Because he's connecting with that uppercut. I told you, this guy is not a scrub. And
You have to rely on that old man's strength. Now it's pushing Mashimo to the limit.
and the very first round at that, Manigos, uppercut again. Body shot by Manigos.
Formula, do the same thing. Keep pushing the face.
Absolutely right. Kasi if you are Manigos, your strategy is already working. So you have to maintain the pressure. This is an opportunity that he needs to take advantage of. Double hook from Manigos, but Mashimo is right there. And moments like this will show you what a fighter is made of.
How he deals with adversity.
Absolutely.
The veteran in Manigos definitely take the punishment. Now it's just a matter of sustaining his offense.
And the big question here, Franco, is how much damage did Manigos make? And diba? And
Kung ano yung magiging long-term effect nun. Kasi
That's right.
this is going to be for 8 rounds.
but Kakeru is hanging on in there, and he's still fighting toe-to-toe against Manigos. I don't know if that's a good strategy. There you go. Manigos is very powerful with those counter shots.
Manigos has to throw combinations. Can't rely on that one punch na akala niya siguro babagsak kasi every time he throws in that uppercut, ibabawi naman sa'yo ni Mashimo 4. But he can't be careless. He can't be too careful as well. Jab straight there by Mashimo. Now he's picking up the pace, fighting at mid-range.
Good recovery by, good right hand by Manigos.
Just when you thought na medyo may deep breath si Manigos, pag bumato ng ganun, nabubuhayan ka eh.
That's right.
Good overhand right by Manigos.
All it needs is one punch to change the fight, Franco.
Good body shots by Manigos. Wag ka lang Manigos. Good straight to the body.
And I think he hurt Takeru with that, in that exchange. But Takeru
Now he has Manigos against the ropes.
taking a breather, it seems. But the uppercut once again is there, and left hand from Manigos. Caught Takeru by surprise right there.
Good strategy here by Manigos, attacking the body and finishing without. More than anything,
Good body shot by Manigos.
mas kailangan ni Manigos yung break na to. He needs to recover. Mashimo is from Yokohama Hikari Gym. Manigos is representing Asturias Boxing Gym. Eventful first round for Manigos. Nakabawi ng konti si Mashimo in the second round. Let's see how these fighters will perform in the third.
Franco, Mashimo's nose has been bleeding profusely since that first round, courtesy of those uppercuts from Manigos.
And when he self get pinned against the ropes, and as much as gusto niya makipagsabayan, he wants
Good
to
left
counter, hindi pwedeng hihintayin niya yung mga suntok na gano'n. Kasi every time Mashimo, diba, throws combinations, hindi niya
Good right hand from Manigos. Absolutely right, Franco.
overhand right there by Manigos, followed up by that vicious uppercut. So far, no answer for Mashimo dun sa mga uppercut ni Manigos.
Good right hand. I think Mashimo got hurt.
He is wobbled. Mashimo is wobbled. His side. Good shot to the body. Another uppercut right in the middle for Manigos.
And body shot by Manigos.
Very good body shot
Takeru took it well though.
in this round. Another uppercut there by Manigos. Ano?
I think Takeru needs to talagang you have to give
Very
credit
impressive.
to the matchmaker, no? A good flurry by Takeru.
Good head movement there.
The punches by Manigos seems to me deals damage.
Good overhand right by
Just like
Manigos.
that.
Another good left hand there by Manigos.
Japan. Good combination.
Those mga attacks ni Manigos. Goes to the body. Goes to the head.
And I got caught there. This is a opportunity for Takeru to shift the momentum in his favor.
Very aggressive punches here by Takeru Mashimo.
But Manigos did very well evading those punches, no? And now it's his turn.
Napapahinga siya ngayon. Good hook to the head by Manigos.
Halfway. Good combination by Manigos. I think Takeru is hurt. He's not answering right
Manigos
now.
throwing everything. Throwing everything at the head. Takeru Mashimo. Now he's urging the Japanese fighter to
The Japanese fighter, what a veteran is, down.
tap. Setting up that uppercut in the middle.
Good defense from Manigos.
But Mashimo wants to go back to the body. Patiently waiting for that uppercut.
And there you go. Like we
flurry
said
by
earlier,
Manigos.
Manigos fights in spurts. But when he does, it's effective. Left hand by Manigos.
Very good left hand by Manigos.
Receive yung punishment pa because he's been taking a lot of damage this fight. Good left hand from Manigos. There you go again. Left hook.
Two left hands by Manigos.
Right hand by Manigos. Double left hook.
Power shot after power shot. Jones is on another level of energy. Good jab there by
Good
Manigos.
combination by Manigos.
More left.
Range in yung timing as you see. Great combination by Manigos. And Takeru is on his turtle shell right now.
It's of the fifth round.
Good uppercut by Manigos.
What a way to end this round, John! Throw those hooks and those uppercuts sa gitna.
And now, pakilala agad si Manigos eh. Good combination from Manigos.
Punch combination there to the jaw of Takeru Mashimo.
Missed with a
Only sa 10 seconds. Para lang yung dalawa to.
good short left hand.
There's advantage.
And for those watching, what Manigos has been doing is the perfect example of what your game plan should be against a taller
Final minute of round 7. Four-punch combination to the body. Mashimo still pushing forward.
Good right hand by Manigos. Left hand from Manigos.
Ending as we approach the final 10 seconds of this round.
Beautiful combination by Manigos.
Nagbubuhos na naman po si Manigos.
Giving a whole new meaning to wala nang bukas.
I hate to be the judges for this fight. I mean, you volume, do you score the impact? Minute 40 in the 8th.
They're running on fumes right
Running
now,
on
Franco.
fumes. Emptying the gas tank. Manigos pushing forward.
Snip, little bit
Manigos goes back.
by Takeru.
What an onslaught from both these fighters. However,
Good left
Mashimo
hand by Manigos.
getting better.
Malakas. Yung volume favors Takeru, pero yung impact. And he receives a left hand from Takeru. Good.
Another up. See what these fighters will do.
Good right
Good
hand.
right hand there by Manigos.
Good right hand again by Manigos. He's spamming with that right hand and it's hitting the sit more.
Matapos nga ang umaatikabong bakbakan, umabot pa nga ang kanilang sagupaan sa kamay ng mga hurado at itinanghal nga na panalo ang ating kababayan via split decision. Si Jason Canoy nga po ang kauna-unahang nagbigay ng talo sa hapon na ito.